Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Freshdesk. Freshdesk is a cloud-based help desk software that can be used by businesses of any size to manage their customer support activities. It's a tool that allows customer service representatives to handle customer inquiries, complaints, and requests via mail, phone, social media, or live chat. So, how this does this work? So we head to the website freshdesk.com and we start free trial. Let's get started with this website by clicking on free trial. So to sign up, you need to sign up. You can sign up with email. So only the first 21 days are free, and the others you have to pay. So let's sign up with Google. Is this a hard or just 3 months? Less than 3 month payback period. Confirm. No credit card required, no string attached. And it's trusted. So here we have the company. Oh, I remembered that I have no company. So the phone number. Okay, I think I will just put one of mine's. And just forget that you saw my phone number, because I'm not using it now. I don't think I have it on me now. So yeah, let's sign up for free for now. Thanks for choosing Freshdesk. So let's get started. Did I click to get started or not? I'm confused right now. Oh, yes, already. So one of the best thing about Freshdesk is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for business to customize the platform to fit their needs with a variety of features such as automation tools, knowledge base, and reporting capabilities. Businesses can efficiently manage their customer support activities in a single location. So first, let's make Freshdesk your own. We have created Freshdesk address for you. Thank you. This is my Freshdesk now. Let's continue. Congratulations. What the hell? That was fast. Next, let's invite your team. Uh, I have to say it. I have no team. I will do this later. Fine. They are excited to welcome me to this website. Finally, let's bring your support email into Freshdesk. Use your custom email service. Let's just... Okay, use this email. Finally, congratulations. Your Freshdesk is ready. Address and support email address. Believe me, I'm not using any of them. I'm just creating the account to show you. Stellar customer service transcend time and space. So another significant advantage of Freshdesk is its affordability, with pricing plans that can either cater to business of different size and budget, and the platform offers free trial period that enables businesses to test software before committing to a paid membership. So what is this? Okay, this is just an example, and I thought I have email. So the website said 3. So what am I waiting for? My ticket? Receive a broken TV. The television I ordered. Oh, the delivery was cracked. There is the order number. Thanks. I get it now. First, respond to resolution, tags, questions, open. What's open? Statue, agent, and she had to respond of a broken TV. So we have here the dashboard when you will receive the complaints, a lot of complaints. Is it my dashboard or the companies or wait. When did I start a company or a business? In assigned, on hold, open, due today, overdue, in resolved. I received 100 complaint. Okay, something wrong. So never mind. Let's head to the settings here to see the website settings. And we are in the settings, and this letter just appeared. Hi, we noticed that you haven't taken any action yet. Do you need any that's why I see 100 of emails, 100 of complaints. Hello, sir. How can we assist you? Hi, we have noticed. I don't know if Sam is only support or human. Uh, don't. Okay, sorry, I'm bad at writing. Don't mind me. I am just passing by. Just to be kind, don't miss out any replies. No thanks, I don't want a notification from you, Sam. Goodbye. Here we have the settings, the customer field, the business hour, the email notification, automations. We have agents, group, roles, business skills, agent, and agent statuses. Hello, thanks. It was a bot. Hell, is there anything I can help you with? I am Harry. Where is Sam? Okay. Reaching customer specialist. I like the emoji. Is there anything I can help you with? So the customer service in a customer service website is good. So Freshdesk is an excellent help desk software that can help businesses streamline their customer support operation, improve response, and how to answer this. Okay, I'm just leaving it. Sorry, Harry. You are doing a great job. So those are all the settings. Here we have the account settings, the most important thing. Here we have account detail, plans and bills, import data, and security. Here check your passwords and others. Here we have the switcher, the dashboard or home. Oh, this how to access the real data. So let's click on dismiss to show my real dashboard. Clean. Clean. No notifications, no nothing. Zero. What is zero? I'm guarding the record. And okay, I'm a little concerned. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.